Hello everyone. Nifty will break 14,000 level. Let us analyze on our pre-market report on 13th April 2021. Let us see the Nifty performance yesterday. Nifty has broken 50 days moving average and closing around 14,310 level. So Nifty has broken the trend line also and broken the 50 days moving average also, and the immediate support is around 14,000. So another 300 points is there. If that is also broken, definitely the Nifty will be in downtrend only. And our India VIX also rise to 23. So whenever India VIX is going above 30, we should close all our position. Better stay away from the market. Let us see the Nifty Bank also. Nifty Bank is, I already mentioned in the earlier market report also. It's really bearish. Yesterday it's almost 5% fell from this level, and there is a support is that 29,800 level. So it's one time, two time, and it's nearing this level. So we can expect 29,000 or 30,000 is a good support. After that, Bank Nifty can maybe recover little bit. And let us see the world market. US market. US market is a mixer again, but US market is almost all time high, but our market is facing resistance around this 15,000 level, and we are correcting very fast. And we'll see the European market. Yeah, European market also yesterday they closed little bit negative, but only one good thing is Asian market is slightly positive, and we can see, yeah, Hang Seng is good. Hang Seng, Taiwan and Kospi all positive. Only thing Shanghai is also slightly positive only. So Asian market is giving a positive hope for our Nifty. And let us see the HX Nifty. HX Nifty is around 14,361. So around 50-60 points we can see a small kind of pullback from Nifty. And let us see the FI data. FI sold for 1,700 crores, and DI they bought 232 crores. This is again worrying part. Whenever FI is selling more than 1,000 crores, at least DI should buy good amount of numbers. But DI is not actively buying anything, so we should be very cautious on market. Let us analyze the open interest also. Wow. Nifty is facing huge resistance around 15,000 level, and good support is around 14,000. So everywhere calls are writing very aggressively yesterday, and puts are unwinding. So this is showing negativeness in Nifty, and I am seeing small straddle is there around 14,300. So this will make Nifty around trading ranges around 14,000 to 14,500 or 600 level for this expiry. If you see in monthly 14,000 is a good support, 15,000 is a good resistance. So no need to panic. If 14,000 is broken only, we should be in panic mode. And let us see the Bank Nifty. Yeah, Bank Nifty also every 500 points level they are writing calls aggressively, and puts are also unwinding. So we can expect Bank Nifty will be trading around 31,000 level, and between 30,500 and 31,500. Max pain is well below zero point 0.4. It is a kind of reversal also, and it's showing the weakness also. The max pain is around 31,100. So I am expecting the 31,000 will be good range for Nifty, sorry, Bank Nifty. And Nifty once again, let us see the max pain. Max pain is around 14,450. So we'll be closing around 14,400 for this expiry. And yeah, the again one negative news for our market. Our industrial production is going well below 3.6 percentage. This is the negative sign, and our inflation also going up. This is also negative sign for our market. And increasing COVID cases in Mumbai and another states making problem for Nifty. So we should be very cautious on trading the market. So have a safe trading. And one more thing, yeah, forgot to list about the TCS. TCS results have come very good, and TCS is facing resistance around 3,300 level. It is a double top in daily chart, so I'm not so bullish about TCS. Even if this level is broken, then we can go long in TCS, or else the TCS will be trading this 3,100 level to 3,362 level. That's it, guys. Have a safe trading. Happy trading to all. Thank you, everyone.